Hello guys again. On our last tutorial, we talked about get branch to create a new branch, get checkout to move to another branch, and get merge to merge two branches. Now we will talk about get tag. It's to create a new tag on one comment. So imagine that I want to create tag on our current changes. So what I can see, get tag, then the name of the tag. So usually you will create tag when you release your website. It's like to keep that version of the code, the one, let's say, you just published, saved on in that tag. So get tag, let's say it will be my first version of my website. So it will be get tag 1.0. Like that, we created a new tag, and it will has the code, my code for that release. If you want to create another tag, you can do the same. Just get tag 1.0. You have done multiple changes, you released a new website, you can just create a new tag. Now to check the tags you have, you can just say get tag, enter. It will show you the tags you have. So we have the 1.0 and 1.1. This is to check the tags that you have. To check out a tag, you can do the same. Get checkout, then the tag. So I'll check out, let's say, get the 1.0. As you can see now, I checked out tag. But for checking out tag, you will check the commit itself. But you can also create branch from that tag. So you can, let's go back to the master branch, get checkout master, and then again get checkout the tag 1.0. Then let's create a branch from that. We will call it our release. So now this is the branch we created from the 1.0 tag. So that's it for today. See you in the next tutorial. Bye.